the tunings that I was talking about. It's D, D, G, and C. And you don't play them, at least you don't percuss them in any of the chords for this particular song. You're just going to play the top three notes. The top three strings are the same. It's G, B, E. And those are the ones you play, those are the ones you percuss. The others resonate. So when you play it openly, as in with no hands, so here we go. I'll play it slowly. I'm just playing one string, one note. The rest is open. Then you play that note again. I can show you. So just one note again. Rain, I don't mind. So in actual fact it's very easy, but tuning the guitar is a pain in the ass. And it's taken me probably 50 years to work this song out. That's why I'm kind of chuffed about it. All right, there you go, mate.